Freya's Star Necklace. Episode 1. The Prophecy and the Start in Elven Forest. Introduction. In the world of Astraria, where magic and gods still hold sway, legends speak of the Star Necklace, a sacred adornment belonging to Freya, the goddess of love and beauty. The necklace is said to possess the power to either restore or destroy the world, and vanished with the fall of the ancient Elven kingdom. The story begins in the small village of Elven Forest, where humans and half-elves coexist. Alina, an 18-year-old woman with silver hair and faint purple eyes, a sign of her elven ancestry, lives a simple life as an herbalist and apprentice to the village elder. One full moon night, Matthias, the village elder and Elena's master, summons her into his private hut. An ancient scroll is spread out on the table. "Alina, the time has come for you to know the truth," Matthias says with a serious tone. "You are not just my apprentice. You are the one chosen by the ancient prophecy." The prophecy. Matthias reveals a prophecy written in ancient runes. When the stars appear on silver hair and the pure elven blood is called upon, that one shall seek the star necklace to prevent the arrival of the Dark Age. Matthias explains that the necklace was not entirely lost, but was broken into 5 star gems hidden in sacred locations across Astraria. Only a person with the pure bloodline of the elves and the stars can gather them. The enemy appears. As Alina tries to comprehend her unexpected destiny, a massive explosion rings out from the edge of the forest. Soldiers from the Dark Kingdom of Dominion, led by the wicked Dark Knight Lord Varus, invade the village. They are hunting those with elven blood for an unknown purpose. Varus heads straight for Matthias's hut. His eyes fixate on Alina with predatory desire. "Star blood, hand over the girl and do not obstruct our path." Matthias uses defensive magic, creating an escape path for Alina. He gives her an ancient map and a short dagger made of silver ore as his final act. Go to the Temple of Light in the capital. Someone will be waiting for you there." Alina flees into the darkness of Elven Forest, leaving the burning village behind. Her quest for the star necklace has begun. She must gather all 5 gems before Varus uses the power of the stars to awaken the ancient archdemon. It is a perilous journey into the wider world, fraught with danger and unknown allies. The first star gem is marked on the map, hidden in a frozen cave in the frigid north.